How to turn on display current activity as a static message on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to turn on this option. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Discord. After this guys, when your Discord is opening, you will just go down to your profile here and click. Then you will go to privacy and safety and click again. After this guys, you will go to allow access you will go to display current activity as a static message and you will turn on this option by clicking here on this option. And that's it. Now it will work with us. And that's it. I hope these videos have found useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.